Let's go with a new project, and let's start with the composition as usual. Double click, change the resolution 2160 by 2160, 299 the frame range, 299 the playback range, and the frame rate 230. Insert, load a library, in this case a color library, a bright library, and connect the dark orange to the background color. Now insert a circle, leave the radius as it is, the size as it is, and add a duplicator. On the duplicator we change the size to 400, and on the shape position we add a noise behavior. Let's change the minimum value of the noise behavior to -500, the maximum to 500, the frequency to 0.5. Let's add the looping flag and change the value of the loop length to 299. This is the result so far. We can now add a hull object, a convex hull. Let's change the color of the hull to white. Go back to the shape tab and drag the duplicator to the input shape. Move down the hull. Okay, in order to make everything else visible. This is what we have so far. Final step, we create an array from the palette we chose. We add one color. We connect the color array to the ellipse shape. Click fill color. And now let's turn all the colors to purple, to violet. Everything except the green one. This is the result. See you next time.